Hello, I'm Robin Morio from Nissan North America. Today, I want to take you through some of the safety and technology features that make the all-new 2021 Nissan Rogue such an intuitive vehicle for everyday and weekend family adventures. Let's take a closer look at how the new Rogue makes family life easier to navigate no matter what's on the family calendar. It's Monday, and you're off to school. The Rogue rear doors are wider than the previous design and open a full 85 degrees for easy entry and exit for all your second-row passengers. You'll notice a child safety seat can be positioned in any of the 3 seating positions, including the middle position. The floating console in front offers open storage access below, a butterfly opening for an easy reach to the rear seat. There's available heated front and rear seats and remote engine start with climate control, so the Rogue can be warmed or cooled before you even leave the house. Also, there's a class-exclusive tri-zone climate control, letting the second-row passengers control their own temperature, separate from the front seat occupants. The rear doors also feature available class-exclusive integrated sunshades for the windows, perfect for shading infant car seats. As you drive, you activate the heads-up display, which at 10.8 inches is the largest in the compact SUV segment. There's also an available, fully customizable 12.3-inch digital dashboard display and a floating 9-inch touchscreen display, which allow you to customize and enhance your driving experience. While some of your fellow road warriors are distracted, as always, you're enjoying Rogue's all-around protection from the standard Nissan Safety Shield 360, a collection of 6 advanced technologies, including automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection and rear automatic braking. Okay, you're feeling good about the commute, but suddenly hit an unexpected delay. No problem. The 2021 Rogue offers both Google Maps and Waze Maps with voice recognition, helping you switch between the map apps for the preferred view of the route conditions or avoid construction zones. On the highway, you engage Rogue's innovative ProPILOT Assist, which has been enhanced for 2021 to ease the stress of stop-and-go driving. Okay. Fast forward to Saturday morning and shopping with the family. The kids beat you to the car and can unlock the rear doors through the 4-door intelligent key system, which can unlock that door or all the doors as needed. You've got shopping bags and dry cleaning to drop off in your hands, so you utilize the motion-activated liftgate to access the large compartment area. Then you slip into the NASA-inspired zero-gravity seats, which provide exceptional comfort and spinal support. Shopping complete, you put your purchases in back, taking advantage of the innovative class-exclusive divide-and-hide cargo system and the convenient storage spaces for items such as gallon jugs of water or milk. Rogue also features Nissan's innovative rear door alert system, created by a pair of Nissan engineers/moms to help remind you of important things left in the rear seat. Rear door alert is standard on all grades. Next weekend, it's an overnight camping trip. The cabin is quiet, with intrusion of outside noise controlled by additional NVH enhancements. The noise inside, supplied by the family, we can't do anything about, but thank goodness for an array of USB Type-C and Type-A charging ports. That's a quick overview of the all-new 2021 Rogue's exceptional utility and comfort features, which have been engineered to make family life easier. For more information, please check out nissannews.com or nissanusa.com. Thank you for watching.